In this video, we are going to learn how to create a rubric using rubistar.com. And you may already have a tool that you use, but this one is fairly simple and has some really good suggestions for rubrics. So the address you'll need to go to is rubistar.forteachers.org, and it's absolutely free. You'll just choose the type of assessment that you chose for your creative and critical thinking assessment assignment. As you saw in the article, there are several different ways to assess for creative and critical thinking and help you differentiate your instruction. So let's just say we're going to have a multimedia assignment. So I'm going to click on multimedia here, and you'll see it gives you numerous different things that you can do. Multimedia, you have digital storytelling, HyperStudio, PowerPoint, multimedia project, digital storytelling, storyboard, video, website design. And let's say, well, okay, I'm going to make a website design. That's what I'm going to have my students do. Since I learned how to use Google Sites this week, or during this, to create my blog, then I'm going to use sites in my class. So what you'll do here, and it's pretty simple, you go to Rubistar and salutation, Mr. or Mrs. and here type your name in, and then website design, and whatever the topic that you chose, perhaps you had them create a website for To Kill a Mockingbird. There, and that's the title. It always has you put your zip code in. Always put my school zip code so that they can get credit there. You want it to be temporary. You don't want to save it as permanent here because we're going to have a chance to download it later. So this part you get to choose a category, and I'm going to start with content accuracy. You want to make sure all the content on this site is correct, and you can see here how it breaks up into levels, 1 being the lowest, 4 being the highest. Then the next section, let's say I want to spelling and grammar. On our website we want all the spelling and grammar to be correct, so that's going to be part of our rubric. Then if it is a cooperative activity, you could put cooperative work. And I really like this one. It's set up for you. Partners show respect for one another's ideas, divide work fairly, and show commitment to quality work and support for each other. This is a really great part of the rubric. And you can also add in your own category. Say you had something that they didn't mention that you wanted to. Maybe you have references. You wanted them to cite, and then you put your specifics there. You can type it in. So, and maybe you, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4 rating, you want points. Here, the total point for each section, since there's 4 sections, let's say it's 25. You'll get a 100 grade. And then I want to go down 5 points each time here. And there's your rubric. So the highest they make just for doing the project, if they do the bare minimum, is a 40. If they do the bare minimum each category. And there we've created our rubric. We go all the way to the bottom and submit. It's going to create it for us. It gives you a preview here. And obviously normally you would have something in this bottom row. If I'm satisfied with it, then I can go down and print or download. So press that green button. And I would like to download my rubric into Excel. So download here, save the file, and that is how you create your rubric here. And mine is going to be up here in my Tools, Downloads, because I have a Mac. Once you have saved it where you would like to have it, please remember to email this to me along with your assessment as an attachment. And it's going to come up here. There.